Managing visitors is often manual and inefficient. Prioritize safety and security to help manage the workplace and provide an improved experience for all. The self-service Venus Visitor Management Kiosk is an effective solution to streamline the check-in process, save time, and protect the premises. Visitors engage with the kiosk, scanning a driver's license or passport. Capture a photo to be displayed on the visitor badge. Based on your specifications, the system verifies the individual. Then the kiosk prints a badge or wristband and/or dispenses an access control card. Kiosk users can view and acknowledge alerts, notifications, disclaimers, agreements, and more. Upon a visitor's check-in, the host receives notifications via email and/or SMS. It also integrates with building access control, HR, federal and state background or watch list systems, and more, and generates notifications and reports on these events. It's ideal for environments that control access for visitors, customers, contractors, or employees, from healthcare to corporate. Parabit kiosks are expertly designed and constructed here in the U.S. Our designers and engineers manufacture the body, then integrate peripherals. Standard peripherals include cameras, barcode readers, document scanners, and more. Once the software integration is completed, tested within a client UAT environment, the kiosk is ready for installation. The Venus model is available as a 19 or 17-inch touchscreen monitor or tablet in either portrait or landscape orientation. Powder coating finish is available in standard or custom colors with a variety of branding options. We provide a kiosk configuration for every interior and exterior use case. That gives you the flexibility your business needs. Optimize customer experience, self-service, and security with our visitor, vehicle, vendor, and employee management kiosks. Learn more at Parabit.com.